VIA, we love our power-ups. It's an institution that we've carried out every year. This is our first gigantic power-up where all of our VIAneers from Montreal, from Somerville, and from Switzerland, and some of our remote VIAneers from other parts of the world have been able to come together.
VIA started power-ups when we were only 5 people across 2 different locations. And one of the things that has always been my favorite part is seeing everybody come together, get a chance to take a break from what they do all day and find better ways to solve problems.
This specific power-up has been great because our mission is consistent. The world is changing around us, and so we've been able to bring people together, reinforce our mission, keep consistent with it, but also help people understand how to adapt in the crazy world of AI and agents and all the other changes that are occurring around us. It's also super great because we are at a moment where we're hitting quantum changes in the landscape of technology, and this is an opportunity for us to take a quantum leap in our own productivity and in getting to know each other.
It's fantastic to see people living the VIA values, love in, love out, shows in not only their quality of work, but how they interact with each other. And getting a chance to do that uninterrupted for several days is something that hopefully helps set us up for success for the rest of the year.
The Power Up is a great opportunity for us across the commercial team. First of all, it's just nice to have the time as a group to get away from the day-to-day and actually celebrate some of the great things that we've done together, but then also to look at that next set of challenges that we all know we're facing and have a chance to really zero in on those and start to think creatively about what we can all do together to solve them. Secondly, it's a great team. Like I said, great people. And so the chance to just spend time with these folks, enjoying one another's company as we talk about these issues, but as we do some fun things too, is a really nice opportunity that we don't get very often like this. So it's really terrific.
As a company that has VIAneers who are located literally all around the globe, this is a super exciting time for everybody to be able to get together and be in the same physical space and enjoy time that is both focused on strategic content and topics and growth of the company, but also having lots of opportunities for socializing and getting to know each other in a more relaxed and exciting, interesting setting.
From a customer's perspective, Power Up means 2 things. The first is that everything the VIAneers learn and take away from Power Up accelerates the quality and the value of the products that we're delivering to them. The second thing that Power Up does is it provides an opportunities for customers to come off-site with us and interact directly with the technical teams and the client delivery teams that are delivering those products and services to them. And the better we understand about how customers are using our tool, the better we understand about which features are impactful, which aspects of the tech that we should emphasize, and where additional insights can be driven that perhaps we weren't aware of before.
Power Up is a great opportunity to demo our products end to end. Often we get to give thin slices, but at Power Up we have the opportunity to show the full product and the full solution to all of us.
What is great about VIA is really mission driven and it's led by the founder. I think having a mission is great, but the mission needs to be put to life, and the founders really put that at the forefront. And it's really a vibe and a mood that penetrates everything VIA does.
Really excited about everything that VIA Science is doing. Amazing culture, there's an amazing mission behind the company. The technology is incredible. The innovation that's happening across the ability to share data in highly regulated environments. And I'm just excited to be a part of it.
Values do not change, right? And this is a thing that's important for us to understand. Turns out the values that we have are not just good for us, and they've been helpful in helping us stay safe, right, and work hard and have fun over the last day, right? But also, it will help us in the future too.
Start with the metrics and the strategy. And when people see the metrics, they often say, that can't be possible. How did you do that? And then you get to say, oh, funny you should ask, right? We have a lot of things that we do on the people side which are unique or special and turn out do make us more productive, not just happier. Happier is important, but productivity is important too. And those things are linked.
Yeah, love in, love out. Buckle up, baby. It's going to be a little bumpy because there's a lot happening, but there's a lot staying the same too, and we're looking forward to taking that ride to $1 billion. Woo!